Hey, what's up guys, Oliver back again with another video. In this video I'll be covering Bitcoin and where I see price heading to in the next upcoming days. You do not want to miss out on this video. Before I get into everything, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button and notification button to receive alerts every time ATP releases a new video. So that being said, let's get straight into the video. Now, when I started off trading, one huge factor that led to my failure was not looking at a high time frame perspective. I was always stuck on the 3-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute, and I was always addicted to Bitcoin's market volatility and basically trying to scalp every move. Now, when it comes to smart money, they don't plan to inject huge amounts of liquidity by looking at a 5-minute chart. They are playing with the big boys' money, and when doing so, must plan out and execute their trades from a high time frame perspective. Professional traders analyze the financial markets from the long-term view, which brings me to my next point. I want to explain the monthly chart and its significance. The monthly chart is only going to move with a great deal of money supporting it. Let me ask you this: do you think retail traders are behind these monthly price swings? When you see these price swings on the monthly chart, this is because of the enormous selling and buying of smart money traders. Again, retail can't move price, so if we can see where smart money are most likely going to place huge orders to buy and sell by looking at the monthly chart, we stand a great deal and develop a long-term trend or directional bias. That being said, let's mark out a chart and see where price is going to be heading next. So right here, I am on the monthly chart, Bitcoin, USD, BitMEX exchange, and I have drawn out a range. So how do I develop a range high? Basically, I find the up candle before the downwards move and I mark out the open for that. That would be my range high. And for the range low, I would find the down candle before the upwards move on the monthly, and that would be my range low. So let's go into a lower time frame and see how price respects these levels. So now I've marked out some important levels for Bitcoin, and you can see that Bitcoin has respected these levels beautifully. First of all, I want to address the range low. So you can see here on the range low, active support, broke down, active resistance, broke up, active support, resistance, resistance, support, and then expanded up to test the range EQ. You can see that we rejected the range EQ for 3 days before pulling back on this white candle and expanding up. Now the EQ is holding as nice support. However, I do want to mention that we are rejecting this consolidation right here. This consolidation was the decision area where the bears did win and then did lead to an expansion down. So over here there is a lot of unfulfilled shorts, and that's why we do have a nice rejection of this level here. For even more confluence, if we draw our fibs, we have rejected optimal trade entry, which is 0.705, and now we should be expecting a small pullback. So where do I think price will pull back into? I have marked out this block right here. This block did generate the new yearly lows, as Knight stated, so this block has much significance. If we do pull our fibs also from the recent swing low to the recent swing high, you can see that we have much confluence with this level, as it is the 62% and the 0.75% also. Currently we are holding this daily bullish order block, but you can see that we've tested it too many times, and I do think that there's liquidity residing below it. if we did want to expand up and test the range high, I do think we need a quick wick, maybe into our 4,500, 4,300 level before expanding up and testing the range high. However, if we do lose range EQ here, test this level and reject off the EQ, I would expect price coming down and testing the range low again. You can see these midway points from the range high to range EQ, 75% and the 25% does act as key support resistance levels. So what do I think personally is going to happen? Well, personally I have some shorts laid right here in this daily level. I do think that price is going to test this level before expanding down. I do have a stop loss above the swing high right here. If I do get stopped out, and if I do get stopped out and price manages to gain this support level right here, I will go long and test the range high. If price does expand downwards and leaves without me, I have my long entries down here in this block. That is spot buys and not leverage trades. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching the video. We do have some exclusive services for ATP. If you do want to join our VIP, we do give out crypto calls, market maker education, market health updates, as well as a 24-hour 24/7 chat room where you can ask me and Knight any questions that is related to trading. If you do want to check out our Discord channel, link is in the description below. And yeah, peace out guys, trade safe.
Choose the sword and you will join me. Choose the sword.